Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our subject Information Technology, class 10. In previous sessions, we have learned about home tab controls like clipboard, font group, alignment, number, style, cells, and editing. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about Insert tab. In Insert tab, first we have a group, table. Table is very useful to organize the data in the form of rows and columns. So click on Insert Table. To insert a table, first select the cells on which you want to create a table. Then click on Insert tab and click on Table to create your table, or where the data is for your table. You can select a sheet on which you want to import your data on this table. So you can select that data and then click on OK button. So here we have a 5 column in this table, column 1, column 2, column 3, 4 and 5. Now you can see when we insert a table, so a table tool tab is open. From this table tool, you can design your table, you can change and apply a different commands on this table. Now fill this table with some information. Okay, so under the design tool, first we have a properties. We have to define our table name, for example, student information. Then second option is under property is resize the table. If you want to resize your table, click on resize table. But first before that resize the table, you have to select the column and rows up to which size you want to extend your table. Click on resize, select the rows and columns and click on OK button. Now you can check our table is resized to row number 10. So in this way you can apply the same properties of table on other columns and the other rows in your sheet. Next is tools. Under the tools you can summarize your table. You can remove the duplicacy from the table if there are duplicate values in this table. Then if you link your table with some external source, like a table is linked with a Visual Basic form, okay, so then you can use it external table data to refresh the table data to refresh it. Next is table style option. Under the table style option, first option is header row. To display the header row, you have to select this one. Next is total row. Total row, turn on off all the rows of table. The total row is row at the end of the table which display the total for all each column. So if you select this, then you can see here we have a total of this column. So you can use it for the mathematical functions also. Next is banded rows. To display the banded row in each row is format from the 1 to different. Like here we have a light gray color. This is with the white color. This is again, so odd even system is here. So one row is with gray color, second is with the white color. So if you want to show in this format, then you can select the banded row. Otherwise you can untick this one banded. So it is in normal form. Next is first column. If you want to highlight your first column, then you can select the option first column. If you want to highlight the last column, then you can select this option. If you want to show the column also as a banded, then you can select this one. So now the columns, according to the columns, we have information. Last is filter option. Whether you want to display this filter button along with the column header, then you can tick this button. Otherwise you can untick this button. Next is table styles. Table styles, to change the style of your table. So we have these all different types of table styles. You can choose any table style. So in this way, you can design your table and also modify the data of your table. Students, now we are going to learn the next options available on Insert tab, illustration group, in which first we have picture. So when we have to insert any picture in our Excel, you can use this option to insert picture. Click on a picture, open any picture which you want to insert in your document. Click on insert button. So picture is inserted into your document. So you can use a picture as a logo, or when you have any information in a table, so you can use a picture to represent some extra information in your Excel. So now we are going to discuss about the pictures too. When we insert a picture, so the first option is remove background. To remove the background of your picture, so you can select this option. Click on keep changing. So in this way you can remove the background and use a particular picture. We're just going to reverse this. Okay, so if you want to use anything, like select this one, click on keep changing. So we have this picture. Now correction, if you want to make some correction in this picture, you can do the correction option to change the brightness of the color, or if you want to apply any type of effect on your picture. So I just move this picture to this area so you can see the controls properly. So first option is we have, if we want to change the color, brightness and contrast of the pictures, so we have this picture like. So you can perform the correction. Next is, if you want to change the color of your picture, like you want to display that picture in gray and black color or another color options we have. So you can apply these three color options or these color tones on your picture. For example, this one is black color. If you want to give artistic effect like the drawing shades or any special effect to your pictures, you can apply them. So like this one is looking like a drawing. So you can select any effect which you want to apply on your picture. So for example, this one. So undo. Next option is to compress this picture. So you can compress this picture to reduce the size of this picture. Next is change picture. If you want to change the picture, but you want the same properties on another picture, so you can click on change picture. Select from your computer, either you can select it from the internet or either you can select it from your cloud account. So select it from the computer, select the second picture. So we have now second picture. If you want to click on reset, it applies back to the previous one. Next we have a picture style. If you want to change the picture style, like you want to change the border of your picture to any type, if you want to apply some special effects also, you can change the border of your picture by this option. Next option is picture border. You can apply a specific color for the border. So like just a red color. If you want to apply some special effect to your picture like soft edges, weaver, 3D, reflection, like. So here we have a reflection of this picture. Next is arrange. If we have a more than one object in a sheet and we have to arrange. So as we arrange a picture in our word processing document, so similarly we can arrange one on another. So just insert one more picture in this table. For example, this is a second picture. So if you want to display the second picture on above of this picture, then you can click on select the picture which you want to make it front. So select forward. so it comes to the forward of second object. So in this way you can manage the objects and display in your Excel sheet. Next is if you want to rotate, so you can use this rotate option to rotate the picture. Align, to align the picture to a specific alignment. Okay. So you can align this picture. Last one is crop option under the size group. Crop option, if you want to remove some unwanted part of your picture, so you can remove it and by clicking on crop option. Next option is height and width. To adjust the height and width of the picture, you can use height and width. Okay, so either you can enter the value here to adjust the height and width of this picture, or either you can move your mouse over the corner of the picture and drag your mouse to increase the size of your picture. So this is with the help of mouse. If you want to enter some value, select that picture, enter the value like 14 centimeter height, so it is changed according to the height. So in this way you can modify your picture after inserting in your document. Next we are going to discuss about the next option of insert tab, that is online picture. Okay students, now we are going to learn about how to insert online picture. First we are deleting these pictures from our Excel file. Then click on online pictures. Then search with the Bing image search any picture like. Click on enter button to search it on internet. Then you can select any picture from this search bar and click on insert. If you want to insert more than one, then you can also select from here. So it's insert to picture. Click on insert. It takes some time to download. So pictures are here. So you can select a one picture and adjust it. So now you have to resize this picture. It's with 21 centimeters. You can make it 10. So also make it 10 centimeters. So all the other properties are same as we discussed in previous. So you can change the background, you can make some correction, you can change the color of this picture, you can change the border style of this picture. All other options are same. So it is only helpful when some pictures are not in our computer and we need to insert in our Excel sheet. So you can use a directly search that picture with the help of online picture tool. Next is if you want to insert any shape in your Excel. For example, we have this information, okay, and we want to highlight or we want to make a pointer to any picture, so you can use the shapes. For example, I want to make it arrow. So in this way you can insert a shape. As you insert the shape, you can see here we have a drawing tool. Under the drawing tool, first we can insert more other shape in this document. Next is shape tool, which helps us to recolor the shape or change the color combination of this shape, and also helps us to apply the different shape effect on this picture. So first select the shape style from here. So which style you will select, you can see that is applied to a picture. Either you can change the shape fill color from here, that is predefined with some border colors, but if you want to do it manually one by one, then you can also do it. Then you can change the outline color, means the border of this picture. If you want to increase the outline weight, so you can change. If you want to apply some special effect on this shape you can also apply. So like this is the shadow effects. So you can apply these effects on these shapes. Next is word art, which helps us if we have insert some text in this shape. So you can modify that with the help of word art. Last is rotate. So with the help of rotate you can change the rotate according to your requirement. You can resize this either by using the mouse or either by enter the value here, height 1 centimeter. So if you want to decrease the width centimeter, so it's increase or decrease. So in this way you can insert any other shape in your document if you want to insert. Like I want to insert one rectangle. So in this way you can insert more shapes. Next option is under the insert tab we have smart art. Smart art helps us to insert any picture, any shape with some text. It is very easy to manage some shapes. So like when you click on smart art we have options to insert a list. So where we have different types of list styles are here. If you select the cycles, then you can see the representation of any cycle you can represent with the help of this smart art graphics options. You can show the process one after next. You can create the matrix, relationship, hierarchy like a tree structure. So you can select any design from this. For example, this one. Here we have a type your text here. Either you can type your text on this or either you can type your text in this text box. For example, computer input devices. You can use the tab and shift key to make it the part of your next is like memory. So we have a two type of memory. So in this way you can design your smart art. Now let's learn about the different tools of smart art. Under the smart art tool we have a two tab. One is design, second is format tab. Under the design tab you can design your smart art. For example, if you want to change into another order, you can apply any type of a design. You can change the color. If you want to change another color option, you can also apply. Next is you can use some smart art to apply some 3D effect to your smart art. So in this way you can use some shapes. Last one is reset. To reset back to the graphics or reset back to the shapes. Next option is format. Under the format, first option is shape style. You can select any shape and then you can change its style. Next is shape fill. With the help of this you can change the fill color of this shape. Shape outline, if you want to change the outline of this picture, you can also apply some weight to this. If you want to apply some effect to this picture, you can also apply. So yeah. Next is word art. Word art option is used to apply some effect on your text. For example, select the text, apply any other. So in this way you can customize your smart art one by one, or either on all. Next option is text fill option, to change the color of this text. To change the outline color of this picture. If you want to apply some text effect like a reflection, so here we have reflection. So you can apply any effect according to your choice. Next option is we have arrange option. If you want to arrange the smart art one on another, then you can use forward option and backward option. Group option, if you have more than one picture in smart art in this Excel sheet and you want to move both together, or if you want to apply the same effect on both of the pictures, then you can use group option. Next is size option. To change the size of this smart art, you can use size option, like its size is 7. If you want to increase it to 20, so it change. So in this way you can customize your smart art. Next is screenshot. If you want to insert any screenshot of your computer in your Excel sheet, then you can use screenshot, to take a screenshot and insert it as a picture. Then it's ask available window which are open on your computer, and then you can select anyone and insert into your document. Okay students, next we have a chart, sparkline, filter, links, text and symbol groups. So we will discuss about these groups in tomorrow's sessions. Okay, keep watching all the videos and also click on subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.